exclude something from my home sale? Well, this is how I answer your question. Picture your house as a snow globe. Turn it upside down, shake it. Whatever falls, you can take. Whatever doesn't, you can't, unless you call it out in the listing. So that beautiful chandelier that you put in and your mother bought it for you, and you really want to keep it because it's a family, personal item, you can. But you need to call it out right in the listing that that is excluded. Or what I prefer to do is actually remove it, replace it with something that you are willing to leave. And then that way there's no questions. Out of sight, out of mind. You don't want to be negotiating the price of the house based on that particular item. So that is my advice on that. Have a great day. Your friend in real estate, Shelley Aubie.